King Air speeds with Baron economy. That's what I'm talking about. Hey everyone, May K. Bueller here for Carolina Aircraft with a fabulous pressurized 58P Baron to show you today. She's a 1980 model. She's got so much going for her. If you like to go fast and you like to go up high, this bird's for you. So let's check out your turbocharged engines. These are Teledyne Continental TSIO 520 325 horsepower engines. Only about 940 on both engines since factory new. Well, this fabulous, iconic workhorse, we're going to want to take her places for business and pleasure. You're going to want to take your stuff with you. We can carry up to 300 pounds up here in the nose. You can even take your golf clubs if you take the woods off. My favorite part, the spring thing. It helps us load our cargo without getting bonked in the head. A great feature about this pressurized Baron, it is certified for known icing. Yes, it's got the known icing package, including your hot props, your windshield hot plate, and yes, de-ice boots. The exterior of this P Baron is Matterhorn white overall with tan, green, and gold striping in good condition. Total time on the airframe, about 6,325 hours. While this aircraft does have a handsome paint scheme, be advised there are a few spots that do need some TLC. This airplane is fully equipped to take you to your business and dream destinations. Plenty of fuel on board. We've got about 1,000 nautical mile range without a pit stop. And if you like to go fast, down low we're in the 200s, but up high at flight level 250, you're going to see about 230 knots. Now, as you probably noticed, and you can see the door is on the other side on this Baron because it is pressurized. Now inside we still have all the same room of the Barons that we love, and the seating configuration, it's versatile. Everyone can face each other, or we can all face forward, or if I want to remove a seat and stow one, I don't need any tools. All I need to do is pick up a bar, pull a pin, and we're in business. So come on in, let's check out the interior. Love this executive writing desk in great condition. Our seats are tan leather. We've got great green carpet. Now you do need to know we have factory air conditioning on board, feels so good. And we have factory oxygen installed. This is a pressurized aircraft, remember. And in the front, we've got sheepskin inserts for the pilot and co-pilot. So let's check out the flight deck. Your avionics include a Garmin 530 GPS Navcom with WAAS, a King 196 COM, King KN53 Nav, an ADF, your transponder. Well, that features an ADSB traffic and weather. You have a Century 4 Autopilot with Flight Director and HSI, Bendix color radar system, and more. Other features you will appreciate: factory air conditioning, factory oxygen system, alternate static air system, dual glide slope indicators, Rosen sun visors, Shadin fuel flow system, Lord Shimmy dampener, Apollo altitude tracker, and more. This 1980P Baron is looking for a new home. Now remember, she's got the known icing package, factory air conditioning, those turbocharged engines. We can go up to flight level 250 and fly about 230 knots. Love it. Now we have all the logbooks. The airplane's always been hangared and there's no damage history. And Baron School, it's included in the price of the aircraft because we want you to be safe and comfortable in your new P Baron. So come see us. We're Carolina Aircraft at Piedmont Triad International Airport. I'm May K. Bueller. Thank you so much for watching.